Hey, good morning to you. It is a cold day in Ocala here at Pals. So there's the Range Rover engine. It's about ready to go back in the vehicle. We had to switch a lot of the sensors over because the wiring harness was different on the engine we got versus the engine that was in the car. It's very clean for a used engine. Very, very clean. Big thing was getting the transmission up off the ground so that we're able to marry the engine to it. Hopefully we'll get that done today. And if you walk down here, and you can see that we're putting the engine in the escape. I shot video of this while it was apart, and as you can see, the engine and frame are back up in the vehicle. Move down here, there's Jimmy. So what's he doing going through the side of the car? Well, he's doing a water pump on this Lexus. And he's going to have it done lickety-split because Jimmy's super fast at what he does. And then we've got the T-Bird and the Olds down here, and we're making progress on both of them. They're slowly getting put back together. The T-Bird's actually marvelous to look at. We're waiting on a bell crank for the linkage. The linkage when you have a single carburetor is different than when you have the quad duals on there. So this thing is going to be a very unique car when it's done. And as you can see, it is absolutely beautiful. Anyway, try to stay warm in Ocala today, and if you have a car problem, need a water pump, engine replacement, transmission, or a classic or antique car that you need worked on, bring it to Pals. We hope to see you soon.